Hey everybody, it's Tony Flamme here, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your water heater. Now I've watched a couple videos on YouTube, so I know all you need is a spatula, a screen repair tool, a hammer, and one of these. This is for the little plug that you pull out. So the first thing you want to do is actually, when you open this up, you want to make sure you put on your safety goggles. Thank you, sir. Now with my safety goggles on, first thing you want to do is you want to go to this plug and you just start loosening it. And then once you...
Listen, YouTube is great. There's a lot of good information out there, but what's right and what's wrong? Look, Tony just got his head blown off because he didn't depressurize his water heater before he tried to take out his anode rod. Go over to the National RV Training Academy, check us out. You're going to get trained the right way. That way you can do your own work.